up guys, welcome back to Persian Prince Vlogs. This is my first of a newly done Tech Tuesday video. So I asked everybody on Instagram how they would prefer to see my videos, whether they want me to do like a vlog style for my Tech Tuesdays or just basically sitting at the desk and recording. So everybody voted to do it in a vlog style, so here I am. So I thought, I'm out going for a walk, so I'll start the video here. And basically today I've got a very special item to unbox and test, and I'm really excited about it. This is something which I believe is going to be a very helpful item at this point in time. So you guys are in for a treat, so stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the thumbs up icon, click the notification bell, and I will see you guys in a bit. Oh my god, you guys, I don't know if you can see that behind me. The petrol prices are so cheap. I need to bring my car and I need to get petrol. So without any further delay, this is today's unboxing. So as you can see, this is a UV Phone Sanitizer, and I've wanted one of these for so long, because ever since this all business started, I wanted one of these. There's one called Phone Soap, and it's crazy expensive. It probably will do the job a lot better than this one, but yeah, let's get this unboxed and let's see how well this does the trick. Comes with a micro USB cable, which I'm not too happy about. Maybe USB-C would be good, but I don't need the instructions. I'm pretty sure this is going to be quite simple. So yeah, okay, so here it is. This is the UV Phone Sanitizer, and to be honest, it's not just a phone sanitizer, because it can sanitize other products in this as well. It also has inside a wireless charger, so it can wirelessly charge your phone while you've got it inside. Actually, that's a bit weird. No, it's not. Interesting. Alright, 1 second, I might need the instructions. What? Okay, so I'm glad I read the instructions, because it says, after sterilize, the phone will have the smell of ozone for a while. What is that? What does the ozone smell like? Oxygen? What is this? I don't know if I want to put my phone in there now. Okay, so let's get this powered up. So I've been using the UV sanitizer for the phone and lots of other things, and I'm gonna give this a thumbs up. I think it's a great product. It works absolutely fantastically well. It not only cleans and sanitizes my phone, but it also wirelessly charges it too. I've used it with my Apple Watch as well, and comes out brilliant. Does leave that little bit of a funny smell to it after it's hit by those 4 UV lights. Yeah, it's fantastic and it's well worth the money. To be honest, I got this for £20, and it's just economically better as well than having to keep cleaning your phone every single time you take it out or you use it with a wipe. This was certainly a good purchase. So once again, I hope you guys enjoy this Tech Tuesday video, and this is another Persian Prince bite-sized episode. I hope you guys are going to enjoy the rest of the videos every Tuesday, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the thumbs up icon, tip the notification bell, share this with your friends and family, leave me a comment down below, everything you need to do that YouTube needs you to do, and peace, take it easy, I'll see you guys in the next video.